but it's on a subconscious level. You could pick up on the dialogue, you could pick up on the information, and this can program your subconscious mind, right? So subliminal, you're incapable of perceiving it. Subliminal now is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold. So one example is a coffee shop may set the room at a very specific temperature to induce customers to do two things. The coldest is set at a specific temperature to induce customers to continuously buy coffee or leave the coffee shop. Right.
Right, yeah.
Right. That's one example of subliminal. So you are aware of the code, but you're not aware how it's affecting you on a subconscious level. Another example of subliminal is you go into a wine bar and there's a specific type of music, ambience music, where they studied in cognitive neuroscience that has an effect on your mind. So you go into a wine bar and this specific type of ambience music induces you to make purchase. Right, so that's subliminal.
Yeah, it's relaxing to listen to. You want to stay for a while, and
I spent extensive time researching in terms of is this biological? Is this a biological predisposition, or are there environmental factors involved in terms of what induces this deep-seated level of compassion a person may have for someone else? So,
yeah, very interesting. What do you think? Kind of like a common theory is that like vaccines and the frequency and number of vaccines that children have progressively over time been made to take more of. Do you have any opinions on how that, if at all, might be affecting the frequency increase of spectrum